This is a tutorial on the cooperating broker fee agreement, and this form is used to put in writing the compensation or commission paid from one broker to another, traditionally when the listing broker is paying the buyer's broker, also known as the selling broker. And if you're looking for a form for commission between the property owner and you or your broker, that's a different form. We have a tutorial for that, and I will link to it in the description, but this is for compensation between brokers. Now, you could make a case that every time you write an offer, you submit this form with the offer because it puts in writing how much commission you expect to receive should the seller accept your offer. So I'll show you here. It's a very short form. It's very easy to fill out. I'll go through it quickly, and I think you'll see the purpose of the form as we go through it. So you'll start by identifying the listing brokerage, the property address, assessor's parcel number if you have it. If you don't, you can leave it blank. It'll be fine. Better to have it though, just to identify the property. And then the name of the cooperating broker, typically the broker representing the buyer, and the buyer's name. And it's basically saying, hey, this brokerage here is bringing a client, and you could just write buyer client if you want to keep the buyer's name anonymous. You don't have to write that in here. The important point is that this brokerage is bringing a buyer for this property address listed by this company. We go down here, and there are basically four simple options. You can either confirm what was put in the MLS, and there's a space for a percentage or a flat fee dollar amount, but basically you're just stating what is said on the MLS, so it's in writing. Because outside of the MLS, where else is it in writing? Nowhere. It must be on a form, and this form is what you'll use. If you're changing what's on the MLS, maybe the MLS is offering a low number and you want to ask for more, you can do that, and you could check this box and put it here. Or if you have to negotiate a lower commission to make a deal work and lower than what's posted in the MLS, then you'll check this box and put it here. But basically, if you diverge from what is listed in the MLS, then you check this box. Now, if you just want a general confirmation and you expect a certain number, or there might be some ambiguity, or it wasn't listed on the MLS, but there's been some general talk about 2.5% or 1% or whatever you guys have come up with, you can check this box here, just put in what you expect, and then you include it. This is just a general confirmation, nothing more. And if there's something that's very unique and doesn't fit the above three options, you have all this wonderful space to fill that out. And cooperating brokerage, that is the buyer's brokerage, as opposed to the listing brokerage down here. Agent name is going to go in here with this agent signature, same with the cooperating broker signature, as they're the person or the entity that is going to be paid. Of course, this could be the same person here, and you could just put in the broker's name in one space. You don't have to put it twice if it's the same person. Same goes here, more signatures. It's a one-page form, very easy. It's a simple form to fill out, but it has tremendous protection for the parties as they enter into a transaction, and there's risk of, or in the potential scenario that there's risk of the listing broker changing what they're offering, or maybe there was a misunderstanding when there was talk about two different numbers. This alleviates any risk of commission tampering. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.